Hi guys, this is Alex's vlog. I'm taking over for today. We're gonna go to Walmart to go donate to the people that got affected by the fires and help out with Michelle.
Hi.
That's Eric right there, Yessie, and Alex.
That.
I know, but for the people that don't know. They don't decorate it like this. Okay, I can't record stuff that's not related to what we're doing.
Yeah, lotions, hair
Toothbrush.
products.
Toilet paper?
We got toilet paper.
Oh.
We got toilet paper,
We
water.
got baby wipes.
We got body bar soap. We got shampoo, conditioner,
Deodorant?
deodorant,
Deodorant.
shavers,
razors,
the shaving cream.
Q-tips?
Oh, shit, I didn't know that the 99.
Okay.
Oh, no, you don't think about that. You don't have that.
I did.
No,
Run ahead.
shopping for themselves, dude.
What the heck?
Oh, here
Nah, I was shopping for all of us.
And so I was just like, I'm just walking around here.
What the heck? Cornets? I want cornets. I want chocolate. Mexican style. They're talking about me.
Where's your phone?
What about granola?
Excuse me, why are you recording me? Are you allowed to record me?
Do you know you have 30
We're in a
minutes?
public area.
Do you know you have 30 minutes right now?
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
He's such a kid.
What's the game? Jenga?
Yeah.
Alright, your turn.
That's what he said.
Oh, you did?
He's like, Jenga?
Oh, I heard him say, I'll take this one. And everyone laughed at my joke. There she is.
Ew. Look at this. Does this mirror move? Oh no. Ew, why do I look like that?
no.
Tiku, tiku.
I'm gonna go like a horse.
I don't know what else.
Let's get buzzed tonight.
I'm dead. They're poking holes. Hey, who poked this hole?
Not me. Oh, guys.
Oh, me.
I know, we're gonna get
I had anxiety.
You did? We're gonna give. They taste like dino nuggets when you put them in the back.
I thought this was Target.
Hell no, man.
I like
What the fuck?
Me, no, blood. We are kids.
Go do it. Like this?
Oh, like a little mini car. That's Fernie right there.
Where?
A little car.
Oh, I can see.
It has a little thing to turn. Oh, yeah, I'll help.
Sorry, guys. Park it right there. Oh.
Alright, guys. Kuna Vlogs here. Back with another video. We're here to donate. We're here with Diana behind the camera.
I am not showing myself right now.
We're here with Eric, Yessie, Michelle over there.
Perfect.
We out here helping out the people for the wildfires. Yeah.
Community.
Bougie.
Whatever.
Bougie.
What the hell?
Oh. Say something for us.
You want one little baby?
Okay.
Want a chicken?
Thank you.
You want some?
No, nothing.
No? Good.
I know I had one.
Who wants
It's good.
It's good. It's good. No.
So no one to get the last piece? Oh, you suck.
You're supposed to catch it. You're supposed to go like this.
Give me back your contract. You're not gonna get
like
the Dodgers.
Hey!
So yesterday we could not donate anything because the places that we went to, seemed very, very sketch. At that time, everything was already closed. But everybody else was kind of busy today because of work and just personal things. So I gathered everything up that we all bought yesterday, and I'm gonna deliver it right now to Super Chief Gallery. We all bought a couple things. This, and this right over here. Just dropped everything off inside already, and they were so nice to give me this. Thank you to Michelle, Eric, Yesenia, his family, V, Ale, Diana, Nicole. I just want to say thank you to all of them very much. Give them a follow. They were so nice when I asked them if they wanted to pitch in to donate all this stuff, and right away they were like yes. All right guys, and then dropping off some waters for the fire department here. Let's see if they accept them. Pretty sure they will.
And action.
They like what I'm on. I done left the trenches, upper echelon.